between the hours of 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. on a Thursday and you can't log into campus and you're wondering what you did, you didn't do anything. It's maintenance. Just like everywhere else, we have to tidy up and do updates. So the scheduled time for the IT department to head into that course shell, to the app, and update things and make sure they're all working really well is between the hours of 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. Central Time on a Thursday morning. You can definitely check with tech support to make sure that it really is scheduled maintenance and not your fault. And you may find yourself there in that morning going, did I do this again? Have I been here for years and I'm still coming in at the wrong time on a Thursday? Yeah, you could be like me and still be doing that all these years later, but it's just scheduled maintenance. You haven't done anything wrong. Updates are happening, good things are happening. While you can't access the course shell, you can't access IntelliPath or CTU Messenger, you can access your email. And most instructors like me are going to be sending you things like PowerPoints and weekly overviews that talk about the discussion boards. So chances are the one thing you can work on is to head into your email, look for that PowerPoint, and see all the details to explore for your discussion board posts that you can work on. It's a bit frustrating. There are times when that's the best time for you to work on it, and I'm really sorry that that happens. It happens to me as well, but it's not always the full 4 hours, and they are a great team getting us up and running and keeping us going as smooth and great as possible. So if it's between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. on a Thursday, maybe go get some coffee and take a nap. We'll see you out there. I'm a potato.